2.1.3, we are still on number sequences. Okay, so 2.1.3 says which term or terms of the pattern has a value of 326. So on question 2.1.3, we determined the general term of the pattern. So that was Tn equal to minus n squared plus 36n plus 51. So now we are supposed to determine which of the terms in the pattern have the value of 326. So that means we should determine the value of n if all this is equal to 326. So that is minus n squared plus 36 n plus 51. Okay, so the first step is we will have to take everything here from the right hand side to the left hand side. So let us start with the minus n squared. When you take the minus n squared from the right hand side to the left hand side, it will change to positive n squared. And then we have 36n, which is positive, so it will be negative this side, minus 36n. And then we have the positive 51, so when we take it from the right hand side to the left hand side, it will be minus 51. And then we have the 326, which is already on the left hand side, so it will remain positive 326, so equal to 0 this side. And now here we have n squared minus 36n minus 51 plus 326, that is a positive 275. So all this is equal to 0. So now here we have a quadratic equation. So to solve this quadratic equation, the one simpler way we know for solving a quadratic equation is by factorizing. So we will use two brackets equal to 0. Here we'll have n and here we'll have n. So we have to get the factors of 275, which when multiplied will give us an answer of 275, but also give us an answer of negative 36 when we add them. So we have to find the factors of 275. So first we have 1 and 275. Next we have 5 and 55. Do we have more factors? Yes, we have 11 and 25. So these are the factors of 225. So now we have to pick a pair which will give us an answer of positive 275 when we multiply the two factors, but with those two factors they have to give us an answer of negative 36 when we add them together. So I think we can use this pair, but both factors have to be negative. Why? Because negative 11 multiplied by negative 25, that is equal to a positive 275. And then also that negative 11 and negative 25 is also equal to a negative 36 when we will add them together. So here we will have negative 11 and here we will have negative 25. So these are the two factors of 275 that we are going to use. So now we have factorized this. So the next step is we will have to write n minus 11 equal to 0, or n minus 25, which is this one, is equal to 0. So next is to make n the subtotal formula. To do that, we have to take the negative 11 from the left hand side to the right hand side, so that is minus 11, so that is plus 11 and plus 11 this side. This will be equal to 0 and will be equal to a positive 11. Again, this side, to make that the subject of, to make n the subject of the formula, we have to take 25 and negative 25 from the left hand side to the right hand side, so that is plus 25 and plus 25 here as well. This will be 0 and will be equal to a positive 25. So these are our values. N is equal to 11 or n is equal to 25. So the pattern has a value of 326 when n is equal to 11 and when n is equal to 25. So that is just how we do it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, see you on 2.1.4.